Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're diving into an animal that might be the closest thing to an alien living on Earth, the octopus. We've done bees, we've done mantis shrimp, but octopuses aren't just weird eyesight. Their entire way of sensing the world is unlike anything else out there. Let's start with the twist. Octopuses are actually colorblind. Their eyes only have one type of light receptor, one. Compare that to our 3 or the mantis shrimp's 16. So by the numbers, octopuses should see the dullest, most washed out version of the world of any animal we've covered, except they're masters of camouflage. They can match the exact color of coral, rock, sand, down to the texture in under a second. So how does a colorblind animal blend into a full color reef perfectly? Scientists think the answer is wild. Octopuses might see color through their skin. Their skin is covered in light sensitive cells called opsins, the same proteins used in eyes. Some researchers believe the octopus's skin can detect wavelengths of light directly without ever sending the signal to the brain first. Basically, their entire body might work like one giant distributed eye. And this connects to something even stranger about how octopuses are built. An octopus has 9 brains, 1 central brain, and 8 smaller mini brains, 1 packed into each arm. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons live in its arms, not its head. This means each arm can taste, touch, and even make decisions almost independently of the main brain. An octopus arm severed from the body can still reach for and grab a piece of food entirely on its own. So when an octopus is exploring a crevice with one arm and grabbing food with another, it's basically multitasking with 8 semi-independent problem solvers. Now let's talk about the skin itself, because camouflage is only half the story. Octopus skin contains structures called chromatophores, tiny sacs of pigment surrounded by muscles. By squeezing or relaxing these muscles, an octopus can shift colors in a fraction of a second, way faster than any other animal on Earth. Underneath the chromatophores are 2 more layers, iridophores and leucophores, which reflect and scatter light to create shimmer, iridescence, and even polarized light patterns. So an octopus isn't just changing color, it's layering 3 separate systems to create texture, shimmer, and pattern all at once. And they don't just use this for hiding. Some octopuses flash bold colors and pulsing patterns to communicate, warn off predators, or even startle prey. It's like their skin is a screen and they're the ones controlling the display in real time. Now here's where it gets even more mysterious. Octopuses have blue blood. Instead of the iron-based hemoglobin we have, octopus blood uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin. Copper-based blood is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low oxygen water, which is exactly the kind of environment many octopuses live in. And it doesn't stop there. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood specifically to the gills, and 1 main heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. Fun, weird fact, that main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, which is part of why they prefer crawling over swimming. Swimming exhausts them fast. Now let's talk about their intelligence, because this is where things go from strange to genuinely mind-blowing. Octopuses can solve mazes, open jars from the inside, and recognize individual human faces. They've been observed using coconut shells as portable armor, carrying them around to use as a shelter later. That's tool use, a trait we usually only associate with primates and a handful of birds. In aquariums, octopuses have been caught sneaking out of their tanks at night, raiding a neighboring tank for food, and climbing back into their own tank before anyone notices. With a brain split across 9 separate processing centers, colorblind eyes paired with a skin that might see on its own, 3 hearts, and blue blood, the octopus isn't just misunderstood. It might be the closest thing to alien intelligence we'll ever study without leaving the planet. If you want to see the next one in this series, let me know in the comments what animal you want to see through the eyes of next. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.